But suck it up and away from us! And then right back to Moodoo. Moodoo, long defense. Oh, green light in by Abdu. The fakes are working right now. Well, I wouldn't be saying that if I were a tactic. But right back to Abdu. Lay right back to Osman. Time! Right back to Habib. And then right back to Osman. Osman right back to Gabriel. Long, quick transitioning! What's right? Oh, look out for Zaid again! Oh, look out for Obek! Great play by Moodoo on him! Osman right back to Habib. Oh, hey, drama! Look out for Sergio! Oh, look out here. Oh, green light in on Zaid. Made there by Habib. Oh, look out for Zaid again! Oh, look out for Obed! Great play there by Gabriel. Right back to Habib. And then right back to... This is getting a little bit of a mess now. Great play by Gabriel this time. Long stretch pass. Right back to... Oh, my goodness. Abdu it again. Abdu. And somehow with Solly looking on, it was robbed by Nico. And I can't believe it. Neither can the bench of the Haiwans. Right back to Akeem. Centers it. Oh, my God. Boys! Can we drop? Oh, look out. This is real dangerous. Oh, look out here. Oh, look out for Open. Oh, this is real dangerous. Oh, look out for Sergio. Oh, green light in on Sergio by Habib. Oh, no. Oh, what a remarkable play by Moodoo. Oh, my. If Elijah is trying to dynamically... Drop! Ay. Oh, look out for Obed here. Ay. This is real dangerous. Oh, look out for Zaid again. And look out for Yevi. Oh, green light in there by Habib. Back the other way comes Abdu. Abdu holds it right back to Osman. Selling this right now. Right back to Akeem. Got away from Sergio. And then get away from Zaid. Right back to Elijah. Off of Zaid. Kept in by Akeem. Trying to get away from Zaid. And right back to Habib. Side of the goal for Abdu. Trying to get away from Yevi. Or Cameron rather, pardon me. Right back to Osman. Akeem away from Sergio. And then Akeem again. Trying to figure out the number out of this. Abdu, and blocked by Cameron. And Abdu again. Shaw. Scramble. Shot again. Elijah. To the front. Oh, it was blocked by Zaid. Oh, I don't think Osman will be liking this. For Yevi and Cameron. Ay. Oh, really? Great play there by Osman. And look out for Sergio here. Oh, look out for Zaid at the point. And look out for Yevi. Great play there by Saleh. And oh, look out, another block by Saleh. And oh, look out for Sergio. And look out for Zaid. Another block. Boys! Cover up! Oh my God, look out for Zaid! Ah! Hey! It was Sergio at the front of the net, and the game is tied. Extra! Sergio was tied the game at 2 for Canoe FC. Oh, this is like Workhaus again. Ay. Why? Oh, this is dangerous. Step on him. Green light in there by Osman. And then right back to Peter again. Try to get away from Mikey or Obed rather. Oh no, look out for Zaid. Great play there by Saleh on him. And then right back to Osman. Right back to Habib. Right back to Abdu. It's the physicality and the speed. This is real dangerous now. Ay. So, oh, there's one. And then right back to Mudu. Mudu long. And then Peter. Use the options! Ay, look out here. Great play by Samir. There you go. Everything is more. Oh, actually. And right back to Osman. Oh, look out for Mikey. Oh, my goodness. Mudu does it again. Oh, boys. Ow. And then there's Abdul. And then right back to Osman. Long for Peter. And the only option for Osman was for wide again. Wonder about Chris Cicerelli again. And look out for Mikey. And look out for Muka. Ay. Yes, Peter! Attaboy! Now we counter. And then right back to Abdu. Away from Ishan. Centers it. Peter. Right point. Using the maneuver. Actually, the maneuver would really work. That would help. Yes, Abdu. Keep him coming. Oh, look out for Ivan. And look out for Chris. Look out for Ivan on the trailer. And look out for Chris. Wait. Figure things out. Solid. And right back to Peter, still in play. Possession-wise for Haiwans at the moment. Peter centers it. Oh, it's blocked by Cameron. And Yevi has a little word with him. Well, and I wonder what's this right now. He gets a little physicality as well as Bob in the building. And look out for Mikey as well. And look out for Cameron, and look out for Ishan, and look out for Chris Cicerelli. Ay. Look out for Mikey, yes! Too far for the right foot. It looked like a foul on Ishan, and the referee's not gonna call it. Because it was Ishan that made the tackle. It might have been to the... this is real dangerous. Look out for Muka. Great play there on him by Abdu. Wait, why? We may have grazed the pipe by Ivan. Right back to Osman. We need to stretch out. Man, there's a man coming! It's greasy. Undeniably greasy. Look out for Yevi, Ishan, Muka, and Chris. Watch him! Yes, Osman. Look out for Yevi! Great save by Mudu through a screen. Right back to Abdu. Man. And right back to Osman. Off of Mikey. Man, we need like a Workhaus miracle right now. If I were Dan, Amit, and Rahim, and Godzo. And Abdu was denied. And look out for Yevi and Ivan! It was into the glove of Mudu. In comes Yusuf. Long stretch pass to him. Man! Speaking of defensive ball, look out for Obed! Or was there Isha rather? Man to me! Man! We're getting all over the place. Look out for Chris! Great play there by Samir and Abdu. And there's Abdu. With Solly looking on. Elijah centers it. Akeem. They need his offensive power right now. Right back to Samir. Right back to what do you call it? Osman again. Pardon me. Elijah. Oh, it's blocked by Chris. Right back to Akeem. Using the speed. Oh, it's blocked by Muka. Oh, take it away, Corky. Yup. Elizabeth for it. And it comes up. Oh, it's blocked by Nico off of Abdul. And then right back to Osman. Centers it. Oh, it's blocked by Yevi. And then right back to Yusuf. Off of. Oh, I don't think Yevi doesn't like this. Look out here. This is real dangerous right now. Look out for Ishan here. Play for Abdu. There's Abdu. Use a counter. Use the options. Use the passing. Ishan's defense. And look out for Muka. Look out for Ishan. Rewind. Went off of Mikey. Or Sergio, pardon me. And then right back to Yusuf. Yusuf to Akeem, away from Sergio. Right back to Akeem. Oh, it's blocked by Zaid. Oh, look out for Muka. Oh, look out for Muka. Oh my God, what a save by Munu. Boy, look out for Sergio. Yeah, we have to calm this down. Take a breather. Oh my gosh. Samir right now. And I thought it was a hand there on Ishan, but it was a shoulder of him. And look out for Obed. And look out for Sergio. Look out for Zaid as well. Look out for Sergio. Oh no. Wait. Amuno, long lead pass. Yusuf, what's the call? It's a goal kick. Unbelievable. Hits the energy right now. Well, it gets Greasy. Look out for Sergio. And look out for Zaid. Look out for Zaid here. Drop. Watch right. Went wide by Obed. 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. I repeat. And then right back to the point, and it's Osman. Hey. Oh no. Oh shit, this is a consensual feeling. Look out for Sergio! Great block there by Samir and Abdu. And look out for Zaid! And look out for Sergio! Green light in by Gabriel on Obed. And the call is... Munu, long stretch pass. Oh, they went off of Zaid. It went off of Zaid. Maybe this can get me going. Whereas Osman standing the last man back. It has to be decisive. Oh, it looked like a foul there on Chris. Everybody drop! Watch out for a counter! Oh, look out for Sergio! Oh, Munu! Still dangerous. Look out for Yevi. And look out for Abdu. Oh, look out for Zaid! Look out for Sergio! Another block by Gabriel! Out! Look out for Ishan! Oh, look out for Sergio! Great play by Osman! Oh, only jumping. And Habib with the boards. Longley pass. Oh, and blocked by Isha. Oh. Wow, it gets greasy. As Peter mentioned. Hey, hello, I wouldn't be speaking about this. Drop boys! Oh, look out for Sergio Insane! Oh no! Great play by Gabriel! Oh, look at this. Ay, look out for Zayd and look out for Zayd! Oh, look out, this is real dangerous! On him! Great save, Mudu! Figure out the runners. Habib was one of them all. It was blocked by Ishan. And look out for Obed! Great block by Samir! Samir at the point. Abdu trying to figure things out. Osman directed traffic. Gabriel, Habib around Zayd. The weaker part of it, it was Abdu around Yevi. Oh, and blocked by Obed. Oh my heavens. Oh my. Look out for Sergio! Ay, this is real dangerous. Look out for Zayd! And look out for Sergio! Oh, Mudu. Unbelievable. Right back to Samir. To Habib. Trying to get away from Zayd. Whoa, no! Drop! Whoa, look out for Sergio! And look out for Zayd! Oh my God, Mudu, what a save! What a save! Look out here! Look out for Zayd! Wait, why? Long stretch pass. Oh, it was blocked by Chris Cicerelli again. Oh, I've been in this situation before. I don't really like this now. Look out for Obed. Oh! Ay, look out for Yevi. Look out here for Zayd. Oh, look out for Sergio. Oh, my heavens.
Good, well done.
And again, look out for Yevi. Under 2 minutes left. It is the last minute. Under a minute and a half left. And look out for Sergio. What a play on him by Akib. And Gabriel trying to do that, and he does, but it's... Wow, the game will go to penalties. This game will go to penalties. Tied up at 2 goals apiece. And I'm sure I don't want to be in the wrong end of penalties this time. No more bad luck of curses. As everything now has to be the right way for me and the Haiwans after so many seasons of failures. Now, it's time. I have a big... Dang it! It was Obed on the first penalty kick. And it's 1-0 for Canoe. Smart here. It's all up to Osman here. It's only round 1. Chance to tie this game. And he does! It's all up to Mudu here. 1-1. Free shot here. Ay. Oh, Mudu running it off of his legs. And it's 2-1 for Canoe. It's all up to Akib here. Akib with all the patience of the world, a chance to tie this. Buries it! 2-2! Incredible! Look out for Zayd here. Ay, caramba. Oh, Mudu! Are you kidding me? It sets the stage for Abdu. Abdu. All for the marbles. Anything. Yes! 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 The Haiwans win! The Haiwans win! The Haiwans win! Yes! Do you believe this? The curse is over! Incredible! Let the celebration begin! This is one of the most remarkable finals you'll ever see. It's the Workhaus miracle. You can say that again. A good game for Nico and Canoe. Just a hard-fought ending.
Stop doing the voodoo, eh? That's why we lost.
Oh my god, oh really old man. But for the Haiwans, it's a dream of joy. Incredible. Let's just say this correctly for the boys out here. After so many seasons, they finally won something that they wanted to get. Destiny is gloried. Let the trophy celebration begin. And also, by the way, let's give credit for Dan, Amit, Raheem, and Gonzo from Workhaus because they will be proud. I'm telling you, Workhaus will be proud as well. Dan, Amit, Raheem, Gonzo, and they will be extremely proud out of this. You know what Rama's been feeling right now for 9 p.m. I've slid to my CM. This was huge. Oh, this is huge, man. Unbelievable. After so many seasons of failures, let the trophy of the dream begin.